Huh. Got like a dead eye over here. So I guess you can make shorts now without a certain amount of subscribers. I really like the video format better. It really makes you brain dead watching all those YouTube shorts. It's almost as bad as TikTok, but TikTok's pretty bad. Anyways, hello. Don't get too bored now. I'm going to talk to you about something before I write it down, of course. It's a weird thing. Oftentimes people don't want to change because you do have to sacrifice something you're used to. Discipline's like that too. You have to sacrifice comfort generally, but even then some people find comfort in the discipline. So there's not much sacrifice there, but there's other things like family, your time to spend with them, and the time you can spend with yourself. You won't be completely happy because to succeed, you'll feel that part of you that feels empty, like it wasn't enough. That's basically like it's never gonna end. Which, in that case, yes, it doesn't really end. You just want to keep improving. You start to sacrifice a little bit of your sanity to do that, but that's okay for you to see the result is worth it. But then, even then, that doesn't last. So, I suppose for every great thing, there must be a great sacrifice. Be ready to lose in order to win. In order to be great, you must be great. Alright, I guess that's it.